LockeyUSA How to Change Code 2000 and 3000 series. The tools you will need to change your code are the supplied tweezers that came with the lock or a set of needle nose pliers. You will also need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the lock from the door completely and grab the combination lock body. Step 2. Using the number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 red screws. As you finish taking off the 4 red screws, carefully remove the cover to make sure that none of the springs fall out. Step 3. Press and hold the C button on the keypad. While pressing and holding the C button, move the red pins to the numbers or letters that you would like the code to be. Failing to press and hold the C button while changing the code may damage the lock and will void its warranty. Step 3. Continued. Once you have the red pins in the correct position for your new code, you will now fill in the empty slots with the blue pins. In this example, I am changing the code from 1057 to 1234. Each pin has a small bump on one side which will fit in the slot easily. If the pin is not going in easy, do not force it, as you probably need to flip the pin over. Also, the color on each pin must always face up. While changing the code, you may release the C button after pulling out or inserting a pin. However, you must press and hold the C button at all times when you are actually pulling out or inserting the pins. You cannot replace the Y or R pin with a red or blue pin on a lock that has the passage function feature. The Y or R pin must remain silver on passage function locks. However, on a deadbolt lock, you can use the Y or R pin as part of the code. Step 4. Carefully put the cover on the lock and fasten the cover with the 4 red screws. Before installing your lock back on the door, check to see if your new code is working. If the code is working, you may now install your lock. If you have a double combination lock, you will need to follow steps 1 through 4 to change the code on the other side.